Dhiafat Reja is proper 4-star category hotel in Makkah and is about 800 meters from Haram in front of Roda Khalil Hotel at Shara Ibrahim Al Khalil and is popular among Asian and European pilgrims. Its beautiful building and especially its entrance is amazing. When you enter in the lobby, you may get 24/7 reception desk and including a beautiful curated lobby with maximum sitting space, in-house restaurant and also a gym is available in the hotel. It has 4 elevators for the pilgrims, and if we talk about the space passway between the rooms, it's amazing and according to the 4-star category standard. And if we discuss about the rooms, so the Reja having maximum 4 bedded room with clean washroom and all of the amenities and toiletries are available in the washroom. The room has a refrigerator, LED and kettle available in the room, nicely carpeted and modern style room. If you have good budget, then you may choose the Dhiafat Reja Makkah Hotel.